Hi, Cedric. Welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm doing very well. Yeah, I'm okay.
Great. So, Cedric, could you please let us know you are from which country and for which all courses you have enrolled here with I-Medita?
I'm from Africa country, Rwanda, and I have done two trainings, SD-WAN and Fortinet Firewall NS4. Yeah.
Okay, great. So, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your background into the IT industry?
Okay. Currently, I'm working for a bank, the biggest bank in our country. It's called Bank of Kigali. I am a senior network administrator. I'm in charge of the network infrastructure and also supporting end users, yeah, on the network level.
Great, great. So, how did you first hear about our courses, I-Medita training?
Actually, we got it from internet. We have a very good website where you can see that you are providing good trainings. So we visit your website and we're able to check everything, to check also some feedback there from the people who has been doing trainings in your center. So we were just we become more attractive, and then we decide to contact you. Yeah, that's how it just came.
Great. So when you say we, along with you, your some other colleagues also, they also joined this program, right?
Yeah, I came with my colleague. We are working together in the same departments, with same position. Yeah, we were together.
And you enrolled for classroom training based here in India. You came down here on a training visa. You complete the entire training. So how was your overall experience in India while taking these courses?
Actually, the first experience we had, because the long way to go from my country to India. It took us almost like 9 hours, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, we had a long journey there. When we did, by the way, I'm thanking you for the hospitality. Everything was okay. Was like we're like we were in our country where when we reached the hotel, people were welcoming us, and we really liked the way you treated us. It was very wonderful, and also I can say when we reached your office, also it was amazing because everything was on track. Like we did not delay. Like we started like in a few minutes, just like a click. So we really liked the way the hospitality was on good point.
Right. From which instructor you took your classes, and did you find instructor experience enough in the same technology?
I think Cisco SD-WAN, the instructor was really, touching everything. And I remember also his name is Sola, right?
Saurabh Yadav. Right. Saurabh Yadav.
Yes. Yeah, he was also, we started with Cisco SD-WAN, and we really enjoyed it, by the way, because the instructor was also, sometimes he give us a space where we can even exchange our culture. We try to know Indian culture, also we try to know Rwanda culture. So we used to have that session so that we can be able to have also some time, to link each other.
Great. And Fortinet Firewall?
Fortnite Power also, the instructor was good, but he's shy, somehow shy.
Great.
But
And
let me tell you, from there nowadays, because also I've told you that we have FortiGate in our infrastructure, and we really use this, what we learned there, it was a lot. So we are now performing well. And for information, we are about to make, we're about to have a project. We are going to implement a project for SD-WAN, but on FortiGate. So I'll be the one, doing that job. So I will be using, of course, the knowledge I took from your center.
Right. And during your
Yeah.
training, when you were undertaking these courses here in India, did you got all the study material, lab access, and required support from the instructor from our team?
Sure, sure. As I said before, everything was on point. We had all the materials. Even we had what was not even, we thought we not be part of it, but there was it was on another level. We really got everything on time, and we used them, by the way, for us to make the exam preparations. So we are really we really like your way you are doing your jobs, and you taking care of your trainees. So I really appreciate that.
Right, thank you. And have you appeared for the SD-WAN examination, CCNP, SD-WAN examination, and NSE4 examination?
Yes, yes, we did the examination, and we passed all.
Great.
Yeah, we passed the Cisco SD-WAN, and we passed the NS4.
Okay.
Yeah, we're all done now.
Great. So how would you rate the entire training, hospitality, pick and drop from airport? So from start to end, how would you rate the entire training on a scale of 10?
I can rate it to 9.
Okay. 1 for
9, yes.
you would like to improve
Yes.
all the way. So
Yeah.
I would also like to have some suggestions from your end. If you have any suggestions on how we can improve our training and services in future, any specific suggestion from your end?
My suggestion will not be quite big. The only slide, maybe slide challenge we face is on the training. When we do training, sometimes we are not talking about theories. Like we are doing a lot of labs, which is good, which is help us to understand more the product. But when it comes to exam, you need, by the way, you need to run yourself, you need to do yourself study, but you can improve there, you can add some more theories so that you can understand even theoretically the product and because sometimes you are not always going to work as technical guy, you can be a pre-sales, so you have to know more about theory than practice.
Okay, great. Thank you for the suggestion. We will definitely look forward constructively for these kind of suggestions. These suggestions help us improve our services and training courses. Also, would you recommend our courses to your friends and to the...
And one thing, I forget one thing. I like the way you handled the communication he had with our management was quite good, and I really like the way you handle them, and they really appreciate you guys. So even I'm thinking that another team will join soon. So let's hope that it will happen soon.
We would be happy to host you guys again. We would love to see you again here in India. I wish you all the very best. Thank you for giving us your valuable time for this feedback session. Thank you, Cedric.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.